Hey guys, Jimmy from the Gaming Gadget Grader. Look at what we just got in the mail. This is the Elite 85T from Jabra. These are advanced active noise canceling earbuds. So there's a look at what to expect when we open it inside. So I got some 12 millimeter speakers on these, so that'll be a little bit nice for, they talk about big sounds bass, which is good, something we always like. 6 mics and wind protection. So we'll work and see how those look. And fast charging comes with a case. Active noise canceling and HearThrough. So I guess HearThrough is kind of like the opposite of noise canceling. So it allows you to hear clearly. I guess when we'll continue to, we'll try that out when we try it out. 5.5 hours. And that's on just the earbuds. It says 25 hours. So I guess 5 charges with the case and the buds. So you get quite a bit of time fully charged here. So, and then you get your 3 sets of ear inserts so you can get the right fit on these. So we've tried a couple of these before, so we're not unfamiliar with these. You know, we've had a lot of Beats, and now we have had some Jabras too, so we will see how these compare. We've tried the 65s and the 75s. These are the newest, the 85s. Okay. Open it up. Nice boxing. This is very consistent with high-end stuff. Beats obviously does a lot of this, and it just adds a lot of polish. So there's a look at what you get when you open. So here's your tips and your USB-C charging cable. And then here is the case itself, and it shows you, obviously they're charging here and off, and when you take them out, they are on, and they're, I guess, supposed to instantly pair with what you got. So here's some safety and warranty stuff. No one ever reads that, right? No stickers, nothing else in here, just a nice hard shell case. So let me get all this out of the way, and let's get to the, we'll save that. Let's get to this. So no surprise here. Everybody's moving this way. Here's your USB-C. It's nice to have another one of these around the house. Shorter one. I'm assuming it doesn't take can't really handle a big charge. It's probably meant for these and other smaller devices, so don't expect to charge your MacBook Pro with that with much success. And here, I know the internet likes to love at me for ripping stuff, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I guess that's how you're supposed to have done it. All right, there's nothing there, and here we go. So similar to really everybody that has these cases, nice and solid. Lights up when I turn it on. So there they are. I saw indicator lights there. So there's green. Let's see if I can get those to turn on again. I don't know what that was. Anyway, all right, so there's the case. USB-C right here in the back, which is nice, and pops open. These are much bigger than other Jabras I've kind of used. I'm assuming obviously much more technology in here with the active noise canceling as opposed to just passive in the past. So I left this part out, but here's some more tips. The largest size and the smallest, and as in most cases, this is the middle of the road guy here on that one, and then here is the right one. And you know, as is common, I mean, this whole housing is very, very similar to the studio buds that we had from Beats. So this whole idea of magnetizing in there, closing, very common. I don't know there's another way to do it, so that's probably why you see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my ear. Not that you can see right now, but I will turn this around. All right, so other than being extremely close to the camera, I think you could see, you know, how they fit in my ear along with my daughter's artwork there. Let me get this other one in. So again, just out of the box, I haven't even paired them, so I can't really give you an audio test or anything like that. But they don't feel very snug. I might have to play with some of the ear tips, but normally I'm the medium, the middle of the road guy, and I don't think that these are, I mean, I'm pushing them in. I don't know that these are super secure for, you know, high intensity activity, working out or anything like that. Let me swap out the one tip here really quickly and try the big one on this one side and see if that makes any bit of difference, but not as snug as I would want, that you get kind of that passive noise canceling as well as the active, and it just always playing with it is not exactly what I want to be doing with, you know, expensive earbuds. So if you look, you'll see that the speaker, I guess the part that needs to get the tip is oval as opposed to round. So that's a little different than we're used to. And so there's the tip on there. Maybe I am a larger ear tip guy. So kind of the first time really ever, yeah, it's the large for me. Take that for what it is. First time I've ever really had to use the large ones, no jokes, but normally it's out of the box medium. So maybe, you know, maybe that oval design, it's a little more necessary to have the large ones. But it still just feels like it's falling out. It still just doesn't feel super duper secure. And I know that's because of all the weight that's kind of on the outside of my ear, so to speak, as opposed to in with the speaker. You know, there's not a long protruding piece that goes in, and you know, I understand why. I don't want to have a bunch of, you know, something really long in my ear, but I kind of feel that. I feel like I'm playing with it a lot. Good button push, you know, good feedback that you are pushing the buttons. You know, obviously it's probably single press to answer, single press to pause play, double press for skip, triple press for go back. You know, faintly see there the speaker, or rather the microphone. There's another one you can faintly see right there on the back. There's another one along the side. So I'm seeing 1, 2, 3 along this edge right here, around the outside. A big one that's right here on the front that you saw. And then that's really all I can see, but that's plenty. And then there's, you know, 4 more on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on each ear piece. So that will probably really help with call quality, and we'll play with that a little bit more. All right, so now that you saw that I need a shave, let's take a look at these again. Very, very, very hard to see. Let me show you. So there's one speaker, or there's one microphone there. There's another, and there's another. So there's kind of 4 around this ring that will help with call quality. And then you got the same thing on the other side. So, you know, it says 6 mics with wind protection. So I don't know, I'm counting 8. I don't know if those are all independent microphones or they're somehow together in some way, or I'm missing others. But anyway, there's, you know, some mic channels, some places where sound can go through, and then obviously it talks about wind protection. So I'm gonna have to try these and kind of let you know about battery life, sound quality, obviously, and talk quality, because these are, you know, on the go in the city, taking calls, moving around the house, working at home, you know, Zoom type of deals. And so, you know, I think these would be nice to try for some of the audio quality. So again, that is the Jabra 85 Elite unboxing, 85 Elite 85T unboxing, and we'll get to work on this and let you know what we think. Thanks for watching.